Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Winfield, local and long distance movers near me. A move is considered a long distance move when you're moving more than 50 miles from your current home. And when planning a long distance move, it's normal to be anxious about transporting your belongings over vast distances. Concerns such as your belongings not being in good condition are typical. Additionally, you may have to wait a long time for your personal belongings. If you hire us, you can avoid these common issues. Our long distance movers arrive on time and are highly efficient. Each item is handled with care by our movers. Using this system, they're able to tell light from heavy things. To prevent damage, they place each item in the correct location. You can rely on our moving trucks to transport your prized items. They also have a lot of space and are safe for transporting your goods. We are licensed to move great distances. All of our drivers have extensive experience driving lengthy distances. In addition, they know and follow all state and federal highway regulations. They're also on time, so you don't have to worry about your belongings arriving late. Local moves are just as important to us as long distance relocations. As a result of our reasonable prices and excellent service, we are the most popular choice in Winfield. Our hourly rate is between $30 and $50 per hour. In order to move your belongings as quickly as possible, we study the local and important routes in Winfield. Throughout the relocation process, we will keep you updated with regular updates. For the money you pay, you get a lot more than you bargained for with our moving services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Winfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.